Hi, my name is Markus from Tuban Lab, and today I want to show you what happens directly after you remove your part out of the building system. Afterwards you put it in the furnace for the annealing process. Then you can remove the supports. Here you see all the rest of the supports on the part. And what happens now? We will use a milling tool and we will remove all the rest of the support, especially on the clamps on our partial. When it's done, the partial will fit perfectly on the cluster. Now we have removed with the milling part the most of the supports and the inside of the clamps. And the next step is we use a different tool for our milling head with a polishing head, and then we make the surface a little bit smoother, and then it will fit perfectly. Now it seems to be finished, so we polish all the sensitive edge of the partial, and now we test if it's fit. Take the plasters, put it there, put it on it, and yes, it fits perfect, so there's no gap. You can put any sheet of paper inside on this and also on the front. So perfect fitting.